World premiere of all-new 2020 Highlander at New York International Auto Show, Toyota's fourth-generation SUV redesigned from the ground up. Toyota is on a major roll with new SUVs, especially the next-generation 3-row 2020 Highlander debuting at the New York International Auto Show. Arriving in Toyota dealerships in winter, the Highlander Gas model will arrive in December 2019 and the Highlander Hybrid will make its way to customers in February 2020. Just as the first RAV4 launched the compact crossover SUV segment 22 years ago, the original Highlander redefined the midsize family SUV when it arrived in 2001. At a time when most midsize SUVs were truck-based, the Highlander's unibody structure with four-wheel independent suspension quickly became the template for a new segment of more comfortable and family-friendly SUVs. After adding a third row, the Highlander not only grew in size, but is also now the best-selling retail model in the segment since 2016. The 295 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 is the epitome of smoothness. Its Toyota-innovated D4S injection system combines direct fuel injection with port fuel injectors to optimize efficiency, power and emissions in all conditions. Dual variable valve timing with intelligence dual VVTI likewise ensures ideal response and efficiency at all engine speeds. That translates into 295 horsepower and 263 pound-feet of torque, which further translates into exemplary everyday performance and generous towing capability. The direct shift 8-speed automatic transmission maximizes Highlander's acceleration and highway merging capability while operating seamlessly and transparently. On V6 models, the available towing package enables a 5,000-pound towing capacity. The package includes a heavy-duty radiator with engine oil cooler and improved fan performance. Trailer sway control (TSC) uses the vehicle stability control to help control unwanted trailer movement. Why use fuel when you don't need to? The Highlander's standard stop and start engine system allows the engine to shut off when the vehicle comes to a complete stop, and then instantly restarts when the driver's foot lifts from the brake pedal. This technology reduces fuel consumption and cuts emissions. Toyota made hybrid synonymous with high fuel efficiency more than 20 years ago. Later, Toyota introduced the first hybrid SUV in its class, the 2006 Highlander. Leave it to Toyota to again raise the bar for hybrid SUV functionality by making the 2020 model the most fuel-efficient Highlander hybrid ever. The new generation Toyota hybrid system in the 2020 Highlander Hybrid combines a high-efficiency 2.5-liter DOHC four-cylinder engine with two electric motors in a system that's more compact, and more efficient than before. The gas engine employs variable valve timing intelligent system by electric motor (VVTIE) on the intake camshaft, and VVTI on the exhaust camshaft. A variable cooling system, electric water pump, electric thermostat, and a fully variable oil pump further improve engine efficiency. The bottom line is an eye-opener for the efficiency-minded, 240 total system horsepower and an EPA estimated 34 combined mpg. The latter is a 17% improvement over the previous generation Highlander Hybrid's 28 combined mpg. Yet, Highlander Hybrid still delivers the everyday acceleration, power and responsiveness that family buyers expect. In another Highlander first, the Hybrid is now available in either 2WD or AWD, further expanding hybrid technology to a new group of buyers. The 2020 Highlander gets a grip on any road with a choice of front-wheel drive or three different available all-wheel drive systems, two for the V6 models and a unique AWD system for the Highlander Hybrid. For the Highlander Gas L, LE and XLE models, the optional AWD system can send up to 50% of available torque to the rear wheels to counter wheel slip when necessary. Sounding like something from a high-end sports car, dynamic torque vectoring AWD with drive mode select and driveline disconnect is available for the Highlander Limited and Platinum for even greater agility and capability. In addition to governing torque distribution between the front and rear wheels, this advanced system uses special couplings to actively manage torque distribution between the left and right rear wheels. Dynamic torque vectoring AWD doesn't need wheel slippage before springing into action. Rather, a sophisticated AWD integrated management (AIM) manages electric power steering (EPS), throttle control, transmission shift control and drive torque distribution to continually optimize handling.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.